Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some goat meat pepper soup. On the screen are all the ingredients you'll be needing. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, I'm going to cut the meat into smaller pieces. After that, I'll roast the spices with medium heat. You need to make sure the heat is not so high so it doesn't get burnt, because when the spices get burnt, they will give you like a bitter taste. After roasting it, I'll take out the calabash nutmeg shell and blend it with the rest of the ingredients. Then I'm going to also blend some pepper and some onions and a little ginger. So my meat is all washed. I'll be adding my spices and then we'll get ready to cook it. I don't need to add water at this point. I just want the meat to soak in all the nutrients, before adding water. Now we are going to add water. I rinsed off my blender, so that's the first water I'm adding, and then I added another water. You can add as much as you want, it depends on your choice. I'll be adding my custom made pepper soup spice, my secret ingredient that's not so secret. Then you need to cook it for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the heat. Guys, this smells so good. You can add your scent leaves. You don't need to like dice them. You can just use your hand and cut them in two and then just add it. Leave it for about 30 seconds and your pepper soup is ready. You can eat this alone. You can use plantain. Sometimes you might decide to dice, some plantain inside. Or there is something else we used to eat it. It's called agidi. Agidi and pepper soup is just the sweetest thing ever. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. This tastes so good. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.